What's good, y'all? It's your boy Chris. Welcome back to my mukbang recipe cooking channel, whatever you want to call it. Today, we got a barbecue platter, y'all. See that? We got the mac and cheese, some ribs, mashed potatoes, corn. To replace cornbread, I got the pound cake in your face. Let's dig in, my friends. Oh yeah, and I also got a raspberry iced tea straight from the fountain. Gotta have my favorite hot sauce, the Valentinas. Let's get it. Let's go with the mac and cheese. I see that. Y'all want to know how mac and cheese tastes good? When it sounds like you're finger banging a coochie. That's good stuff. Some corn. It's not corn on the cob. Corn in the can. Man. That's the mac and cheese. Delicioso. Don't mind the noise in the back. My son watching some Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. I move this thing right quick. Look at that. Ooh, you see that? Barbecue ribs, pork ribs. Fall off the bone, y'all. Home cooked is the best. Y'all know that. Look at that, nice and tender. Shout out to the wifey. And she's not in this video right now because I was eating. She's feeding our son. This pound cake, this should go crazy right here. How's that? Oh yeah, I need some hot sauce on it for sure. What kind of hot sauce y'all like, y'all? Mine's Valentina. Let me know in the comment section. Which hot sauce is your favorite? There it is. I got that kick. That boy. This is way better than, what's that barbecue spot? Famous Dave's? Is it Famous Dave's? And Everett and Jones for sure. Way better. Way better. Everett and Jones, all right. You gotta try Chris and Coco's and Jones. That's what y'all need to try. Restaurant coming to a city near you. Right, Bet? Grand opening, everything's $1. $1 everything. Lobster, crab, Mr. Crab, everybody. Everything, everybody $1. I mean, $1. I think the light's too bright. But I'll let go. As long as y'all can still see. Try this iced tea. Oh yeah, that's good too. Good fountain iced tea. Raspberry, y'all. Raspberry. The Mac. Return of the Mac and cheese. Y'all prefer y'all ribs baked or grilled? Hmm? Which one's good? Which one would y'all prefer? Baked or grilled? I like my baked. Grilling takes too long. Anybody got time for all that? Need some more hot sauce. Hot sauce on my barbecue ribs, baby. How long has it been since we've done the mukbang? Or sushi? Man, that's been like 2 weeks. Yeah, we've been busy. Real busy. Thank y'all for watching though. Y'all been real supportive. Real supportive. Thank you guys. We'll try to make more cooking recipes for y'all. But lately, we've been lazy. Well, with school, work, right back? Baby. Sister. Baby making, you heard that? She's nasty. Y'all know it's good when y'all looking at y'all go. So good, I forgot I had a family. For a minute, you know what I mean? Bad parenting right there, y'all. Y'all see that? Or is the light too bright? If it is, I apologize. Ooh, yeah. It's hella good. Hella good in the hood. Smash that like button if y'all like barbecue. Barbecue ribs, barbecue pigs, barbecue figs. Anything barbecue. Smash that like button. Nice and tenderoni, Mr. Phony. I might just go for seconds. Mac and cheese. What are we gonna cook next? Oh yeah, we're about to cook some. What's it called?
Braised pork organs.
Braised pork organ. What is it? Organs, right? Yeah, it's organs. Braised pork body parts. Braised pork body parts. Let's say we're gonna be braising what? Pig ears, intestine, tongue, stomach, and what else? I think that's it, right? It's good, y'all. Pot low. Really famous. A really famous dish within the Asian community. Really good. Cambodian, whatever. Really good. So be sure to check that out when it drops. Hella sweet. I choose this. Nah, I won't choose it over cornbread. Hella good. Mm, 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 mm. I think I might get seconds. Cause that was good. Oh shit. Oops. Well, y'all, that's a fast ass mukbang. Mukbang. It was real delicious. I give the ribs 10 out of 10. The mac and cheese 6 out of 10. That's Costco. So it's 11 out of 10. What is that? No. Mashed potatoes 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10. Corn is always 10 out of 10. The pound cake 100 out of 10. Valentinas 100 out of 100. Raspberry iced tea. Come follow me for the recipe. This is good. 10 out of 10. So hit that like button and that subscribe button. Thank y'all for watching. Mac out. All right.